In tech, billion-dollar deals are common, but Microsoft's $10 billion investment in OpenAI was a turning point. This wasn't just about money, it signaled that AI was moving to the center of our digital lives. OpenAI needed massive computing power to realize its vision. Their partnership sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. The real prize? Generative AI, technology that creates emails, code, images, and more. For Microsoft, this was the ultimate upgrade. Imagine Word helping you write. This deal was more than business. It was a bet on a future where AI is everywhere. The partnership with OpenAI was Microsoft's ticket to the center of this new world, and the world was about to change. OpenAI began in 2015 as a non-profit, aiming to build powerful AI safely and share its benefits with everyone. Founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, it was a haven for top researchers focused on open science. But building advanced AI required immense computing power, far beyond what donations could support. In 2019, OpenAI created a for-profit arm to raise capital while keeping its mission intact. This paved the way for Microsoft's investment and set the stage for AI breakthroughs to come. OpenAI's rise is the story of GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT-2, released in 2019, was so good at generating text that OpenAI hesitated to release it, fearing misuse. The real breakthrough came with GPT-3 in 2020. It could write, summarize, translate, and even code with uncanny fluency. Developers built apps on top of GPT-3, sparking a wave of creativity and showing the world the power of large language models. The secret? Scale. Bigger models, more data, smarter results. Each new version required exponentially more computing power, fuel only a partner like Microsoft could provide. GPT-4, launched in 2023, took things further. It could process images as well as text, making it even more versatile. This technology powered ChatGPT and the new Bing, making AI accessible to millions. The rapid evolution from experiment to essential tool was breathtaking. OpenAI's relentless scaling and Microsoft's resources made it possible. The GPT saga became the foundation of Microsoft's $10 billion bet. AI was no longer just a research project, it was the future of software, and the world was paying attention. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI didn't happen overnight. It started in 2019 with a $1 billion investment, giving OpenAI the cloud power it desperately needed. In return, Microsoft became OpenAI's exclusive cloud provider, running all those massive AI models on Azure. This was a win-win. OpenAI got the fuel, Microsoft got to build the engine. As OpenAI's models advanced, Microsoft doubled down, culminating in the $10 billion deal in 2023. This wasn't a simple acquisition. Microsoft would recoup its investment from OpenAI's profits, then hold a significant stake. The structure let OpenAI stay independent, while Microsoft gained deep, preferential access to its technology. For Microsoft, it was a bold, calculated risk, a chance to leapfrog competitors and define the future of AI. Key leaders like Satya Nadella and Sam Altman forged a close alliance, united by a vision to bring AI to millions. The partnership pushed Azure to the forefront of AI infrastructure. Microsoft wasn't just betting on OpenAI, it was betting on itself as the platform for the next era of computing. The stakes were enormous, but so was the potential payoff. This was Microsoft's moonshot for the AI age, and the world was watching. For $10 billion, Microsoft got more than a stake, it got a front-row seat to the future of AI. Microsoft's exclusive access to OpenAI's technology means it can deeply integrate AI into its products in ways no rival can. Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, became the backbone for running and training these massive models. Every time someone uses ChatGPT or builds on OpenAI's API, they're using Microsoft's cloud. This drives demand for Azure and cements Microsoft as a leader in the booming AI cloud market. The partnership also transformed Microsoft's image, from legacy software giant to innovation leader. Suddenly, Microsoft was at the center of the AI revolution, attracting top talent and media buzz. Satya Nadella repositioned Microsoft as a visionary company shaping the next wave of technology. Microsoft also gained a world-class R&D partner, accelerating its own product development. OpenAI's breakthroughs could be quickly turned into features for Office, Windows, or Bing. This speed is a critical edge in the fast-moving AI race. Microsoft isn't just investing in today's AI, it's securing tomorrow's breakthroughs. and that's a priceless advantage. Microsoft's strategy is to infuse OpenAI's technology into every product, transforming its entire ecosystem. The Copilot concept, an AI assistant in every app, started with Bing, now a genuine challenger to Google. Bing's AI doesn't just list links, it answers questions, summarizes pages, and helps you write, all in one place. Copilot quickly spread to Microsoft 365, drafting documents, creating presentations, summarizing emails, and analyzing data. For businesses, this means more efficient, creative, and productive employees. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, acts as a coding partner, speeding up software development. By embedding AI in the tools that build software, Microsoft ensures the next generation of apps are built on its platform. The ultimate vision, a unified Copilot across Windows, managing your files, calendar, and communications seamlessly. Imagine an AI assistant that knows your digital life and helps you manage it all. Microsoft aims to turn its product line into a single, intelligent, interconnected platform. The partnership with OpenAI is the engine making this vision real. Millions of users are already experiencing the transformation, and this is just the beginning. Microsoft's deep ties with OpenAI come with big risks and controversies. Large language models can hallucinate, confidently presenting false information. This is a real problem when AI is integrated into tools people rely on for accuracy. There are also ethical concerns. Much of the data used to train these models was scraped from the internet, raising copyright issues. Lawsuits from authors and artists are mounting, challenging how AI companies use creative works. The potential for misuse is huge. AI can generate scams, disinformation, and harmful content at scale. Microsoft and OpenAI invest heavily in safety, but it's a constant battle. Regulators are watching and calls for oversight are growing, which could slow innovation or add costs. Internally, OpenAI's unique capped profit structure creates tension between its non-profit mission and commercial pressures. This tension erupted in 2023 when CEO Sam Altman was briefly ousted, exposing deep rifts over who controls the technology. The question remains, is AI's future guided by safety or profit? The stakes are enormous, and the world is watching how these issues play out. The answers will shape the future of AI. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI has sparked fears of a new tech monopoly. By securing exclusive access and integrating AI into its dominant software, Microsoft could leave rivals far behind. Smaller startups may never catch up, not for lack of ideas, but because they lack the resources. Regulators in the US, UK, and EU are investigating whether this partnership violates antitrust laws. Is this a true partnership or a stealth acquisition giving Microsoft control without ownership? The fear Microsoft could use its power to favor its own services, stifling competition. This echoes Microsoft's past antitrust battles over bundling software. Now critics see parallels as Microsoft bundles Copilot into Windows and Office. The outcome of these investigations could reshape the AI landscape for years. The bigger issue, only a handful of tech giants can afford to build cutting-edge AI, raising barriers for new players. The future of AI may be decided by a small club of powerful corporations. Policymakers face a tough challenge: how to keep the AI ecosystem competitive and open. The stakes for innovation and consumer choice have never been higher. The Microsoft OpenAI partnership is set to reshape how we work and live. The immediate goal: perfect the Copilot vision, AI that's personal, proactive, and indispensable. These assistants will learn our habits, anticipate needs, and handle complex tasks across apps. The line between user and software will blur as we move from commands to conversations. Productivity and creativity will leap forward, especially for knowledge workers. The long-term ambition: artificial general intelligence, AI that can reason, learn, and solve problems like a human. Microsoft's investment is a bet on being the company that brings AGI to the world. This will transform business, automating routine work, and creating new roles focused on collaborating with AI. The structure of work itself could change, freeing humans for strategy and creativity. Microsoft aims to be the essential partner for every business navigating this transition. The $10 billion deal is a hinge point in tech history, accelerating the global AI race. The consequences will unfold over the next decade, shaping our economy and society. One thing is certain: the world after this deal will look very different.